Have you ever imagined getting paid to play games on your phone? You're not alone. With today's technology, earning money while playing video games on your smartphone has become a reality. In fact, you can earn anywhere between $10 to $50 per game depending on the app you use. It's fun, simple, and the best part, it's free. In this video, we will guide you through 6 mobile apps that allow you to earn while gaming. These apps won't require any prior experience, and you can use them anywhere in the world. Let's dive into the world of getting paid to play. Number 1. GameHack. Play for fun, earn for real. The first app to check out is GameHack. This platform pays you $5 to play video games such as World of Warships, which is one of the most exciting titles among pay-to-play games. Whether you play on your phone or computer, it's absolutely free to sign up. The setup process is simple, and once you're in, you can start earning quickly. World of Warships offers an immersive experience with its strategy-based gameplay, making it both enjoyable and rewarding. However, while it's a great way to get started and earn simple rewards, keep in mind that GameHack doesn't pay as much as some other apps. It's still a great option if you're looking to earn a little extra cash while playing engaging games. Plus, it's perfect for those who love strategy-based games, as these often involve more skill and provide a more in-depth gaming experience. Many users appreciate GameHack for its easy-to-navigate interface and low entry barrier. All you need is a device and internet connection to start earning. GameHack may not offer massive payouts, but it's an excellent introduction to the world of paid gaming. It's also a safe bet for those new to this space. With no upfront cost, you can experiment with the app without any financial risks. Some users even report making enough to cover small monthly subscriptions or casual expenses. If you enjoy competitive gaming and strategic play, this app will keep you entertained while offering small but steady rewards. Number 2. Bubble Cash. Classic game, real cash. Remember Bubble Shooter? If you've spent hours playing that addictive game, Bubble Cash offers a fresh twist. The app combines the classic Bubble Shooter game with real money competitions, meaning you can earn cash while having fun. Bubble Shooter has been a fan favorite for years, known for its simple yet captivating gameplay. Now, imagine the thrill of popping those bubbles while earning actual money for your efforts. It's like leveling up your gaming experience. Download it for free and start earning right away. One thing to note, Bubble Cash is competitive. It's not just a casual game where you can play mindlessly and earn. You need to build some skill to start racking up cash. This adds an exciting layer to the game as you strategize and aim for those high scores. With its intuitive design, Bubble Cash offers players a seamless gaming experience, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned gamers. While it may not replace your full-time job, it's a fun way to earn on the side. Whether you're looking for a quick distraction during your day or a more engaging hobby, Bubble Cash provides both entertainment and financial rewards. As you improve your skills, you can participate in higher stakes competitions, potentially increasing your earnings. Just remember, it's all about having fun first and foremost. With over 1 million downloads, this app is quickly becoming a favorite for mobile gamers seeking real rewards. Number 3. Solitaire Cash. Earn money playing classic solitaire. Calling all iOS users. Solitaire Cash is available on the App Store and lets you earn money by playing your favorite card game, Solitaire. If you grew up playing Solitaire on your computer or phone, this app is a modern twist that makes the game even more exciting. It offers exciting contests where you can participate and win cash prizes. The more you play, the better you'll get, increasing your chances of winning those coveted prizes. With over 93,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's one of the more popular choices in the gaming for cash world. The game is user-friendly and offers a smooth, glitch-free experience, making it appealing to both novice and experienced players. Many users appreciate the balance between challenge and enjoyment that Solitaire Cash provides. Plus, it's a great way to relax while still making money. There's also an Android version available, though it has fewer reviews. So if Solitaire is your thing, why not earn while you play? Whether you're playing during breaks or at the end of the day, Solitaire Cash allows you to unwind while still being productive. For those who love classic card games, this app offers the perfect mix of nostalgia and reward. Just keep in mind that practice makes perfect, and the more you play, the higher your chances of winning real money. Number 4. Stoli App. Play, win, repeat. Stolly app is another option for Android users, available on the Google Play Store. This app allows you to earn small amounts of money while playing. The app features a range of games from simple puzzles to more complex challenges, catering to different tastes. It's a great choice for players looking for a casual, easy-to-use platform where they can earn money during their downtime. According to user reviews, the winnings are not as high as some of the other apps mentioned here, but it's still an easy way to bring in a few extra bucks during your downtime. Stolly app is ideal for those who aren't looking for high-intensity gaming, but still want to make a little extra cash. The app's design is straightforward, allowing players to quickly dive into the games and start earning. Plus, it doesn't require hours of commitment. You can play for short periods and still earn. As always, keep your expectations realistic. You won't make huge sums of money, but if you're playing games for entertainment anyway, it's a win-win situation. The variety of games on Stolly ensures that you'll never get bored, and the ability to cash out small amounts regularly makes it a worthwhile option. Many users appreciate that the app's interface is clean and clutter-free, making for an enjoyable experience. Overall, Stolly app is a great option for casual gamers looking to supplement their income. Number 5. Misplay. Get paid to play a huge catalog of games. Misplay is a fan favorite in the gaming world. This app literally pays you to play video games on your phone and offers access to a vast catalog of games from different developers. Whether you're into puzzle games, strategy games, or action-packed adventures, Misplay has something for everyone. You can explore new titles, try out different genres, and earn rewards as you level up in your favorite games. The more you play, the more you earn. With over $60 million paid out so far, Misplay is one of the more established platforms in this niche. It's perfect for gamers who love variety and want to discover new games while earning rewards. The app's loyalty program ensures that consistent players can earn points faster and redeem them for gift cards or other prizes. You can even compete in leaderboards and join gaming communities within the app. In addition to cash, Misplay frequently holds sweepstakes where you can win prizes like gift cards or even bigger payouts. This app is ideal for gamers who enjoy some friendly competition and want to maximize their earnings. Whether you're looking to earn a few bucks or win big prizes, Misplay offers plenty of opportunities. Its clean interface and wide selection of games make it one of the most popular apps for mobile gamers. So if you're looking to get paid while exploring new titles, Misplay is a must-try. Number 6. Lucktastic. Scratch your way to big wins. Lucktastic offers a fun twist on traditional gaming apps by allowing users to play virtual scratch cards for real money. You can win anything from smaller instant prizes to massive jackpots. If you love the thrill of scratch cards, this app brings that excitement to your phone, with daily chances to win cash or gift cards. Unlike skill-based games, Lucktastic relies purely on luck, making it accessible to anyone. It's a simple, entertaining way to potentially earn money without any upfront costs. With frequent promotions and sweepstakes, users have multiple opportunities to score bigger prizes. Whether you're looking for quick fun or the excitement of a potential big win, Lucktastic delivers a unique gaming experience without the need to spend a dime. And that wraps up our list of the top apps where you can get paid to play games on your phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to make money online. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest ways to earn extra cash. Have you tried any of these apps, or do you have a favorite way to get paid for gaming? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.